Another installment of Front End Examples, brought to you by Jared at Weber Brothers. If you're seeing this video, you either stumbled upon it or I send it to you as a good example of what a Honda HR-V front clip looks like when we're either shipping it to you, if you're driving here to pick it up. You can see hood, fenders, headlights, grille, bumper. Underneath we've got the rad support and all the cooling. Rad condenser fans under the fenders. You'll find the splash shields. If we see any issues, we're going to tell you about it. Right down to as small as that. Actually, yeah, that's just a little scratch followed by a bug splatter. We do wash them up to make sure we can see any issues. We're looking for dings, paint scratches, cracks in the headlights, things like that. This is clean as a whistle. Get you under the hood, you can see. It's a very low mile HR-V. This is an EXL version, if I haven't mentioned that. Sorry, this is a 2024 version. Very low miles when we got it, so everything under the hood exceptionally clean. You see motor mounts, shock towers, fuse box, the rad condenser fans are hiding under there. In this bag, air box, tubing, brackets, splash shield, any miscellaneous part that we find that would be useful in a front clip, we'll throw that in there. We're not looking to nickel and dime things out. We're as fair as we can. There's no dash as well, and as you can see, the windshield is cut. So if you're planning on picking up, this is the state it will be in. It will be on a skid, loosely secured. Please bring your straps. We do have them. They're for sale. They get a little expensive, as does everything else as time goes on. Please ask questions if you have any. Don't make assumptions. It's a lot easier to deal with things before you make the commitment to drive here, or we make the massively expensive commitment to ship it to you. So if you have any questions, 800-222-2528, my direct extension 112. You can also find me on any of the social feeds, and you can email me at Gmail as well. Just look up Jared Weber Bros. You'll find me. Thanks for watching.